Hello, I am Thierry Trollier, President and Technical Manager of Absolute Systems in Grenoble. It's a great pleasure to present you our advanced cryogenic equipment, S-Cube, developed for low temperature science. Let's present S-Cube product. Advanced cryogenic equipment, S-Cube, is a versatile cryogenic platform. It is a cryogen-free cryostat with no liquid nor gas consumption. It is based on absolute system helium cooling loops developed for low temperature science. Compared to conventional solutions based on metallic conductive links, this solution has double advantage. First, to move the cooler away from the instrument while minimizing the footprint occupied on the optical table. Second, to reduce the mechanical coupling with the cooler and therefore to minimize exported disturbances induced by the cryogenic system. By mastering the components, Absolute Systems can provide a cryogenic solution that meets your application requirements. This vibration-free solution can be totally customized depending on the requirements: experimental volume, cryogenic power, and low temperature. The S-Cube concept comes with the development of numerous remote helium cooling loops or supercritical helium cooling loops. Few bars of helium gas are circulated by a cryofan from the cold box, where the gas is cooled by a cryocooler, to the application cryostat via a high-efficiency vacuum-insulated flexible line. Using a 4K cryocooler, the limit in temperature for the application is around 5 to 6K. Thus, for 4K and lower temperatures, a Joule-Thomson expansion stage, so-called GT, is added as shown in the following slide. With the addition of the GT stage, the temperature is driven by the gas, helium-4 or helium-3, and the lower pressure of the GT pump, while the cooling capacity is driven by the mass flow. It shall be noticed that for 4K application, this concept of GT pre-cooled by a 10K cryocooler has already proven better efficiency than a 4K regenerative cryocooler, whatever it's a pulse tube or a Gifford mount. Now, what are the S-Cube products we propose? S-Cube products are proposed as function of the temperature. The 10K system with 4K pulse tube cryocooler and using supercritical loop. Such a system using a 10K pulse tube has already been delivered and commissioned beginning 2020 in Paris Polytechnic School for characterization of semiconductors under magnetic field in the 10 to 20K temperature region. A 4K system with a pulse tube and a 4K GT cooler for which a demonstrator is currently under test using a 15K Gifford McMahon as pre-cooler, and a 2K system using 4K pulse tube and 2K GT cooler. This system is under development and will be presented in the following slide. For sub-Kelvin temperatures, the system can make use of helium-3 instead of helium-4 in the Joule-Thomson stage. A system with 100 mW cooling capacity at 500 mK is under development in collaboration with CNRS Neil Institute. A presentation is given by Philippe Camus in a companion paper in the course of the present conference. Furthermore, a continuous adiabatic demagnetization refrigerator or a dilution stage can be added to reach temperature lower than 500 mK. Let's focus now on 2K S-Cube platform. 2K S-Cube platform is a cryogen-free solution with no liquid nor gas consumption. It provides 50K and 2K force flow loops, minimizing the vibration transmission to the application and suppressing the low frequency, 1.4 Hz, exported from the cryocooler conductive coupling, which is very difficult to damp. Moreover, DC flow enhances the temperature stability compared to the low frequency temperature sweep of the cryocooler, which it shall also be done. The tabletop design provides large custom sample space for the user with an easy access. 2K S-Cube provides a powerful 50 to 80K stage for thermal shield and other user loads. The system can be customized with optical windows, magnetic shield, micro-positioning, temperature control, and so on. Let's detail now the flow process. Let's focus on the application of the low temperature remote cooling solution. Using our remote cooling concept, our S-Cube has a disruptive approach for integration and scalability of various applications. It addresses scientific applications like cryo-optics or material testing, cryoelectronics applications, superconducting applications such as SQUIDs or RSAQ, superconductive qubits, qubits CMOS type or asperlated technology, qubits control electronics, low temperature instrumentation like high resolution spectroscopy, terahertz or millimeter wave imaging, and any other low temperature application that you may have. We'll be pleased to work on your specific requirements.